Hello students, now we will discuss about integers. I have previously explained part 1 of integers. Now this is our part 2. Now we will here deal about multiplication. In the previous class we have deal about the addition. Okay, so the properties of multiplication. Now first property is commutative property of multiplication. Now here you see the cumulative property a into b equal to b into a. Suppose we take a equal to 5 and b equal to 6. Now what is a into b? A into b, 5 into 6 is 30, and b into a, that is 6 into 5 equal to 30. So this is our commutative property. Now multiplication by 0. When any number is multiplied by 0, the multiplication or the result always comes 0. So when a number minus 3 multiplied by 0, the result is always 0. So any number when multiplied by 0, the result is always 0. Multiplicative identity. When any number is multiplied by 1, then the result is always the same number. Okay, suppose this is 5, and when we multiplied by 1, the result is always this number 5. So here 1 is multiplicative identity. Okay, now the next property is associative for multiplication. Here you see the properties of associative for multiplication. Now we take the example. Okay, this is the example. Now here you see a into b bracket into c multiplied by c. Same is here, minus 3 into minus 2 multiply bracket into 5. So what is the result? 6 into 5 equal to 30. Now we can do the right hand side. Minus 3 into minus 2 into 5, here also comes 30. So the associative property is always equal for multiplication. Now distributive property. Here you see distributive property. Take a equal to some number 1, b equal to some number 2, c equal to some number 3. Now put in this property, you will get left hand side equal to right hand side. So this is our distributive property. Now solve each of the following product. Now when two negative integers are added, minus 8 minus 10, the result is always negative, that is minus 18. Similarly, when two negative integers are multiplied, minus 8 into minus 10, it will gives a positive integer. This minus and minus will cancel out, and 8 into 10 equal to 80, and in front of them positive sign is there. Okay, so what is the product of this number minus 18 into minus 10 into minus 9? First, minus 18 into minus 10, what is minus 18 into minus 10? It will become 180 with a positive sign into 9. Now what is 18 into 9? 180 into 9. Okay, so what is 18 into 9? You can solve 18 into 9 equal to 162. Okay, now 0 is always comes here. You can solve it. I have solved it mentally, but you can solve it like this: 18 into 9. Okay, now the question. One question is, in a class test 15 question, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Gurpreet attempt all questions but only 9 of her answer are correct. What is her total score? One of her friends get only 5 answer correct. What will be her score? Okay, see the question properly, then I will solve it in front blank page. Okay, now one of her friends Gurpreet solved 9 of her answer are correct and one of her friend 5 answer are correct. Okay, for positive answer 4 marks are given and for negative answer minus 2 are given. Okay, now there are total of 15 question. Okay, Gurpreet attempt all question but only 9 question are correct, and for correct there will be a plus 4 marks and for wrong there will be a minus 2 marks. Now Gurpreet attempt all question, 9 of her answer are correct and for every correct answer 4 marks are given, so the total marks is 36. Now 15 minus 9, total 15 question, 9 answer are correct, so the incorrect answer will be 6. Now for every incorrect there will be 6 into minus 2. What will be 6 into minus 2? Minus 12. So the net or total number she will get will be equal to 36 minus 12. What is 36 minus 12? 40, sorry, 24 will be the correct answer. Here you see 24 will be the correct answer. Okay, similarly one of her friends get 5 correct answer, so the for 5 correct answer 20 marks and for incorrect answer, now 15 minus 5 equal to 10, so his another friend get 10 incorrect answer, so the answer is, so the incorrect for incorrect value the result is minus 20 and net when we combine the whole score is 0. 20 minus 20 equal to 0. So this is the example. Now you solve the following. Okay, this is your homework, you can solve it. Suppose I am solving like f, or you can solve any of this. Now 26 into minus 48 and minus 48 into minus 26. Okay, so this value will always becomes positive negative and this value will be positive. Now when you add the greater value, okay, when you add the there will be a result of plus because this value is of higher value. Now we will go towards division. What do you mean by division? Division is the inverse operation of multiplication. See, 3 into 5. What is 3 into 5 equal to? 15. Division is opposite of multiplication. Okay. So here when the division is goes towards here on the right hand side, it will always comes in the denominator. Okay, so here it becomes 15, and when 5 goes towards right hand side, it comes in denominator. So what will the result? 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. So here left hand side will be equal to right hand side. So this is the rule of division. Now we will go towards our first example, minus 13 divided by 10. Okay, minus 30. Now here division is there, so we when divide this number, so there is a multiplication sign and division is opposite of multiplication, so 10 become like this. Here 0 will cancel out and the result will be minus 3. Okay, similarly 50 in the division we will multiply like this, and 1 divided by minus 5, this will go into the denominator. 5 1 is 5, 5 10 is 50. Here minus is there, so minus 10 is the answer. You can solve the remaining. So this is your homework. If you have any doubt, please message me. Now this is the session for today. Thank you. Hope you like this video.